Healthy dinner ideas during pregnancy. It is critical to have a nutritious diet when pregnant, since it will benefit both you and your unborn child. Eating a well-balanced diet is vital not just for your baby's development, but also for your own health. Pregnancy is a wonderful time, but it can also be taxing, so giving your body the nourishment it needs to function at its best is essential. You should consider what it meets in your daily requirements while choosing a dish. Your needs alter throughout pregnancy, and your body requires additional vitamins and nutrients to produce a healthy baby. To keep you full throughout the evening, your supper recipes should be high in protein. Good sources include meat, beans, salmon, nuts, nut butters, and cottage cheese. During pregnancy, pregnant women should consume additional calcium at dinner. Milk, yogurt, tofu, eggs, and leafy green vegetables are all good sources. Folate is required during pregnancy to avoid neural tube abnormalities, which harm the baby's brain and spinal cord. Eggs, nuts and nut butters, leafy dark green vegetables, lentils and beans, and liver are all good sources. That's it for today's video. We hope it will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the like button. It will boost our confidence to deliver you more health and beauty related content.